Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. Today I'm going to do a quick little review, recommendation, some professional tips over a product that was sent to me from SandShark, the 3-pack 4x3 by 1.5 each boat clean erasers. So these are erasers that are used to remove like tough stains, grime, whatever. I'm a professional charter boat captain here in Florida. A lot of times people, they're not used to being in a boat, so sometimes they wear the wrong kind of shoes. One thing that we don't like in our boats are black sole shoes. Well, black marks the boat up, the white, the non-skid deck and all that kind of stuff. And these are just fantastic to use. They're really easy to use. You just wet them, you squeeze them, and you just wipe down the area that you're going to do. I like them. I've used them a few times. They definitely get the scuffs out. You don't have to use it on a boat either. You can use it on an RV, you could use it in your kitchen, you could use it in your vehicle. Just anywhere where you've got some scuffs and stains, they work fantastic. So get you a few of these. I think you're going to like it as much as I do. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Thank you.